Pollinators facilitate the reproduction of most of our plants. They are therefore vital in ensuring food security and natural ecosystem balance. These insects are also of great aesthetic value. They are considered beautiful by many. They are a great part of our culture. However, due to our busy lifestyles, many have missed on seeing these beautiful creatures. Pollinators include birds, bats, and insects. However, insects do the bulk of pollination. Insect pollinators include butterflies, beetles, bees, flies, and wasps. They carry and drop pollen as they move among flowers. Of these insects, the bees are considered as major pollinators. Worldwide, there are more than 20,000 species of bees. Unfortunately, most people know about the honeybee only. About 90% of bees live individually and not in large groups like the honeybees. Hence, they are not aggressive and some are stingless. They are major pollinators of most of our plants, hence deserve our love and respect, not fear. They possess hairs and other special structures for collecting pollen. Bees feed on the pollen and nectar. However, each species has specific plants that it feeds on. Some feed on a wide range of plants and others on a limited range. This emphasizes the important need to conserve or restore diversity of our native plants. Some of the most beautiful and harmless pollinators are butterflies. There are 160,000 species of butterflies and moths. They inhabit almost every terrestrial ecosystem. They come in different shapes, colors, and sizes, and they are so fulfilling to watch. Butterflies are diurnal and visit flowers to drink nectar. They are also an amazing indicator of a healthy ecosystem. Butterflies are, however, highly selective, using only a few native plants to lay eggs, and this highlights how fragile they are to changes in the environment. The other important group of pollinators are the wasps. Wasps are important pollinators, although infamous due to a reputation of being aggressive. They are smooth-bodied, hence considered minor pollinators. However, they do provide some pollination as they move among plants. Another less famous pollinators are the flies, normally reviled as pests and carriers of diseases. However, they can be important pollinators for specific plants. Pollinators are declining due to lack of nesting sites, food, as well as habitats. Land use changes have resulted in the transformation of their habitats through cutting down trees, field fires, reckless use of chemicals, which have further increased diseases and changed climatic patterns. We need to help the pollinators for them to continue to help us. The big question then is, how can we help the pollinators? Let us minimize chemicals or eliminate them. We can add natural habitats in our croplands so these insects can find food. We can plant home gardens with native plants for the hungry pollinators. Let's add plots and patches of native plants in the cities. Let us plant in schools, corporate spaces, highways, and every other possible spaces. Remove invasive plants to improve growth and variety of native plants for the pollinators. Lastly, let us provide water for their drinking and reproduction. Waterfalls, even in the middle of cities, can save lives. The loss of pollinators can have irreversible negative impacts on our natural ecosystems. Let's save the pollinators and secure the future for our natural heritage and human existence.